So we've got some equations here which look a little bit tricky because of all the brackets, but really if we break things down step by step, it becomes a lot easier to solve. We've got this first problem here, the blue problem. It says 3 brackets 2y plus 4 closed brackets plus 2 brackets y plus 6 closed brackets, and that equals 64. So again, remember, these are balanced equations, so everything that's on the left is equal to everything that's on the right. And so that's a bit important later on after we've multiplied out of the brackets, so that we keep the whole equation balanced all the way through and we lay out our work clearly. Whatever we do to one side after we've multiplied out of these brackets, we must do to the other side to keep the whole equation balanced. All I'm doing by multiplying out of the brackets is renaming this information here. So let's do that. We have to multiply the term that is outside the brackets, so in the first case it'll be 3, by each of the terms that's inside the brackets. So let's go about that problem. So 3 times 2y, that's going to be 6y, and then 3 times positive 4 is positive 12. We'll keep going now, we've done that one. Positive 2 times positive y is positive 2y. Positive 2 times positive 6 is positive 12, and all of that will equal 64. So we just have to now nail what y is. So we're going to end with y equals a value. So let's get there. First step here is to simplify, and we do that by gathering like terms or collecting like terms. So we've got 6y plus 2y, so that's going to be 8y. We've got positive 12 plus 12 is positive 24, and that will equal 64. We need to cancel out the constants, so let's do that. So we do the inverse of positive 24, which is negative 24, negative 24 here. Both sides, remember, whatever we do to one side, we must do to the other now. Any changes we make. So that becomes 8y is left on the left hand side, and on this side it's 40, right? And then we have 8 times y. So how do we cancel out multiplying by 8? Simple. We divide by 8. Okay, and we do the same to both sides. This fraction bar means divide, so I'm left with the y. Great, that's what I want. And 40 divided by 8 is 5. So y is equal to 5. Similar process for this one as well. So minus 7 times minus 5y is positive 35y. Minus 7 times minus 10 is positive 70. Positive 2 times positive 2y is positive 4y. And positive 2 times positive 3 is positive 6. And that all equals 193. So now we have to just tidy things up a little bit, collect the like terms. So we've got plus 35y plus 4y, so that will give us 39y. And we've got plus 70, plus 6 is plus 76 in total. And all of that, okay, now we can start solving. So we subtract 76 so that we can cancel out plus 76, and we do that to both sides. Okay, so that cancels out. We now have 39y on the left hand side, and on the right hand side, let's do a quick subtraction. We have 1, 1, 7. And now we divide by 39. We divide by 39. And that cancels out. We're left with y. 117 divided by 39 is 3. So just quickly check that. 39 times 3. Yep. Finished.